Hala, it's your Monday motivation, your energy, your fuel through the week. So, to subscribe. So, I'm gonna be quick on this one. Kutoni budzanga story cha Yona. Yona and Noah in the Bible. Noah had a vision, he had a dream of building an ark. Avako pate chilani chikepe. Vatu vavako tiseyo umtu tongo kopenga. Vavakosia ngori mini, vavakosia ngori avatu vona mutu achikupata gungwa lingapo. And vavasati vuri why achikufanolo lifata. The thought is wasting his time and nothing is going to happen. Just like Nabuchuroni Aworina, we've got ideas, we've got business ideas, $1 million ideas that can make us money. Now I know ariko kono dziteverera vatu vakori no eri tingasite atitiona mtu akozviita izvi zvito and narapfuri arasatiitiwa ndikudziitanyi. We need to be the first one to do something. We need to also understand uri some other ideas they start with us. If ever mutotomo phone asigoitawo mayachida yotomokanyi. So also you need to also follow suit your ideas. So when you come to Jonah had a vision in Nineveh. So instead of going to Nineveh, he wasted time running away from his fate. Narine raro ripedza chifhinga chinji richikozamori hembra mutu aita sona so zvingaita mutu aita sona so zvingaita. So we waste our time trying to ask people who don't understand our dreams, who don't understand our goals or our vision. And those things drain us. By the time richisara chivoita miloro yavo rine riva rononeta vonyamisiwa roneta vohanedziwo bvi zvingasiite. So ndiko ejori, rather than wasting your time on asking people if your dreams have got value, work on them and you see if they really have value. You don't waste, you don't lose anything by trying out your vision, your dreams, but you waste time by just sitting and waiting for somebody to start your dream. It's funny. I don't know if Hubuchiro or what we building. Within 2-3 months time, now the idea you're circulating as somebody else, and you'll be like, wow, so don't be do it now, do it for yourself. Hala.